Netflix knows exactly what to recommend, or how Google predicts traffic jams before they even happen? The answer is science. I'll break it all down for you. Let's dive in. Data science is the art of extracting knowledge from data using math, statistics, and programming. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you solve business problems using data. Think of Netflix suggesting shows, banks detecting fraud, or self-driving cars making split-second decisions. All of this is powered by data science. So, how does data science actually work? Let's break it into 5 simple steps. First, collecting data, like gathering clues for a mystery. Next, cleaning the data, removing errors and making it usable. Then analyzing data, looking for patterns and trends. After that, building models, using machine learning to make predictions. And finally, making decisions, applying insights to solve real-world problems. To become a data scientist, you need a mix of programming, statistics, and domain knowledge. Tools like Python, SQL, Pandas, and TensorFlow make it easier. The future of data science is huge. AI, automation, and data-driven decision-making are transforming industries. If you're thinking about a career in data science, now is the best time to start.